Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about NEET PG integrated or combined revision plan. It is basically a 50 days revision plan which include 7 grand tests. Basically what you can do is divide your day into 3 time slots, 2 to 3 hours per slot. Like on day 1, do anatomy upper limb, biochemistry carbohydrates, microbiology, do bacteriology. On day 2, do thorax. In biochemistry, you can do genetics and continue with bacteriology in micro. On day 3, do head and neck and genetics and general microbiology. Now on day 4, you can do neuroanatomy, enzymes in biochemistry and immunology in microbiology. On 5th day, do abdomen, amino acids and virology. On 6th day, do lower limb, amino acids, and continue with virology. On 7th day, give a grand test, and if you don't want to review it the same day, what you can do is review 30 questions daily for a week, and in this way, you'll be able to review it in a week. And also, you can do image based questions, your question bank, and any topic which is left. Now on 8th day, do embryology, lipids and parasitology. On day 9, we are just left with histology and general anatomy, lipids and any miscellaneous topic which is left in biochemistry, and mycology in microbiology. If you don't prefer this approach, then what you can do is do anatomy, biochemistry and microbiology 2 to 3 days per subject. Now from day 10 onwards, you can cover the topics in an integrated manner, like do physiology, pathology, pharmacology and medicine for a particular topic. On day 10th, do hemat. On day 11, continue with hematology and also do acid-base disorders. On day 12, read nephrology, first from physiology, then pathology, then pharmacology and then do medicine. On 13th day, do endocrine system. On day 14th, again give the grand test, do images, your question bank and any left topic. On day 15 and 16, do central nervous system from physiology, pathology, pharma and medicine. On day 17th and 18th, do respiratory system. On day 19 and 20, read about cardiovascular system. On day 21, give a grand test, do image based questions, your question bank, or any left topic. On day 22, do gastrointestinal system. On 23rd day, do rheumatology and read about ECG. On day 24, do general physiology. Do general pathology on day 25th. On day 26, do general pharmacology, antimicrobials, and anti cancer drugs. And this completes our revision of 4 major subjects, that is, physiology, pathology, medicine, and pharmacology. On day 27, read neonatology. On day 28, give a grand test, do images, instruments, question bank, or any left topic. On day 29, do systemic pediatrics. On day 30, 31, 32, and 33, do surgery. On 34th day, read about forensic medicine. On day 35, give a grand test, do images and instruments, any left topic, or any questions which are left from your question bank. Try to do the question bank same day of the topics which you read on that particular day. On day 36, do orthopedics. On 37th day, read about ophthalmology. On 38th day, do ENT. On day 39 and 40, do community medicine. On day 41, do dermatology. On day 42, again give a grand test. Do the images, instruments, question bank, and any left topic. On day 43, 44, and 45, do OBS and gynecology. On day 46, read anesthesia. On day 47, do radiology. On day 48, do psych. On day 49, give a grand test and do image based questions. On day 50, read about COVID and any recent updates. And this completes our 50 days revision plan. If you want to revise individual subjects, you can find video link for that in description box.